Children's Day is indeed a festival for the kids. It's a great occasion for them to express themselves. They would certainly be pampered by the teachers and parents on this day with gifts and sweets. Most of the countries treat November 20th as Children's Day as per the Declaration of the United Nations. A few other countries have their own reasons for the Children's Day. For example, in South Korea, Children's Day was celebrated on May 5th. This was proposed by a writer called Dr. Bang to install a sense of freedom among the children. In Turkey, April 23rd is recognized as Children's Day. It's the date on which their General Assembly was formed. Now, India too has its own day for kids. And that's the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, which falls on November 14th. Though a busy leader, Nehru always loved to spend his time with the children. In fact, he started wearing rose on his chest after a boy pinned it to him. Children called him Chacha Nehru as they treated him as their uncle. So, when India wished to have their own Children's Day, it immediately chose the birthday of Nehru, who loved and led the young generation into the future.
The fragrance always stays in the hand that gives the rose. Of all flowers, methinks the rose is best, quoted William Shakespeare and John Fletcher. If such is the quality of a rose, what would be the quality of a leader who pinned a fresh rose to his coat every day? A leader whose excellence stays with our country even today, just like the fragrance of a rose. A leader who worked passionately for the welfare of children and the youth. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow, he had remarked. I hope you have guessed whom I'm talking about. Yes, it's none other than our beloved Sri Jawaharlal Nehru. As he was very fond of children, his birthday, the 14th of November, is celebrated as Children's Day in India. Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. A very happy Children's Day to all of you. One of the most powerful forces on earth is the prayer of a child. Prayer is the song of the heart that makes its way to the ears of God. So, may we begin the Children's Day program with a special prayer song rendered by Mrs. Lakshmi.
मूलाधारमूर्ति मूलाधारमूर्ति गजमुगने चरणमुनद उभय चरणं मूलाधारमूर्ति गजमुगने चरणमुनद उभय चरणं मूलाधारमूर्ति வேலாயுத குகன் தனக்கு முன் தோன்றிய வேலாயுத குகன் தனக்கு முன் தோன்றிய விமல உமையாள் தருமகனே அமலாயமாயாள் முனிவர் தொழு மூலாதார மூர்த்தி கஜமுகனே சரணமுனது உபய சரணம் மூலாதார மூர்த்தி அன்புடன் தும்பை அருகம்புள்ளை எடுத்து அர்ச்சனை செய்தாளே போதும் துன்பம் துடைத்து பேரின்பம் தரும் வரதா துன்பம் துடைத்து பேரின்பம் தரும் வரதா துணை புரி பிரணவாகார கணபதியே துணை புரி பிரணவாகார கணபதியே துணை புரி பிரணவாகார கணபதியே மூலாதார மூர்த்தி கஜமுகனே சரணமுனது உபய சரணம் மூல மூலாதார மூர்த்தி.
Thank you, Mrs. Lakshmi, for the divine rendition. Dear children, parents, teachers, and our respected principal ma'am, I would like to welcome all of you to the Children's Day celebration. A very happy Children's Day to everyone. Yes, though Children's Day is for kids, I'm sure all of us do wish to go back to those golden days to cherish and relive our childhood days. So, this wish is also for that little child who's still inside us. Today, we've gathered virtually to honor our beloved Chacha Nehru and to celebrate every child who is with us and within us. Children's Day is a reminder to all the adults about the rights of children to enjoy their childhood without any boundaries and to be given basic education for a better life. So, once again, I welcome all of you to the Children's Day celebration. And dear children, today's special events have been prepared just for you by your teachers. So grab a seat and enjoy the show. Are you ready?
The real essence of Children's Day is to understand the importance of childhood in our lives. The principles and disciplines learned as a child are responsible for what he or she becomes in the future. So, childhood should be celebrated. So, let the celebrations and fun begin.
If the doors of a house are locked, will the wind stop flowing inside the house? Definitely not. In the same way, even if the entire world is locked down, should children stop having fun? Should the celebration of childhood stop? Of course not. So, my dear children, come, just like the roses in the garden, let's sing and celebrate your childhood.
Exercising just got added to the itinerary for fun. So, what's next?
Oh, what are these? Wow, puppets! Playing with puppets is one of the most interesting educational activities we can expose our children to. Children see puppets as their companions. Playing with puppets can help children learn songs and rhymes as they imitate the puppets. There are several motor skills which children can improve while playing with puppets. Next, let us give a treat to our eyes by watching a puppet dance. Here they go.
बाजी ढोल बजा सारे आके दूध बजा सारे आया गोभी बजा सारे देखो दीप तमाशा रे ओ रंगीले रंगीले पल है चमकीले चमकीले पल है बरसे झिलमिल करते लाखों तारे अलबेले अलबेले तन है लचकीले लचकीले तन है कोई अपना दिल कैसे ना हारे ओ मैं मन मैं जा मैं जग जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब कोई आगे बदलता है कोई तार बदलता है कोई गेंद उछाले कोई सोच संभाले ओ देखो रे भैया कोई घूमे बन के भैया कोई ऊपर चलता लांगा मारे ओ देख बाजी कर देखो तार ऊपर नीचे कर देखो देखे मैंने जो ये खेल मारे अरे मैं जा मैं जग जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब
That was an excellent show with the puppets. Children are like birds in a garden and should be nurtured lovingly and carefully, as they are the future of the nation and citizens of tomorrow. Only through right education can a better order of society be built up. Do you know who said this? Of course, it was Jawaharlal Nehru. Shall we pay a tribute by dedicating a song to him? Let's listen to the nightingales of our school.
சேவையை புகழ்ந்திடுவோம் condition. Who is this? Isn't this naughty little Krishna? Yes, Krishna was very naughty while he was a child. When we utter children, don't we immediately associate it with naughtiness? But what we call naughtiness is really an early exploration of authenticity and independence. Great world-changing leaders Mahatma Gandhi and Nelson Mandela could not be described as easy people, but they lived with conviction and determination fighting injustice. If naughtiness is considered black, then I know why it is my favorite color. Quoted Peter Tony. Now let us all watch our little Vishamakara Kanna dance and entertain us.
விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதவிதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாளுக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான் பாடினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் நீலமேகம் போலே இருப்பான் பாடினாலோ நெஞ்சில் வந்து கூடியிருப்பான் கோல புல்லாங்குழலூதி கோபிகளை கள்ளம் ஆடி கொஞ்சம் போல வெண்ணெய் தாடி என்று கேட்டு ஆட்டம் ஆடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது ஊரில் உள்ள வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது வெண்ணெய் பானை மூடக்கூடாது இவன் வந்து விழுங்கினாலும் கேட்கக்கூடாது இவன் அம்மா கிட்டே சொல்லக்கூடாது சொல்லிவிட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க ஒண்ணாது சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும் திருடன் என்று சொல்லிவிட்டால் அம்மா பாட்டி அத்தை தாத்தா அத்தனையும் திருடன் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முகாரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான் பக்கத்து வீட்டு பெண்ணை அழைப்பான் முகாரி ராகம் பாட சொல்லி வம்பு கிழுப்பான் எனக்கு அது தெரியாதென்றால் நெக்குருக கிள்ளி விட்டு விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது இதுதாண்டி முகாரி என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் பாட்டு பாடி விதவிதமாய் ஆட்டம் ஆடி நாளுக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் வேடிக்கையாய் அன்மியூட் செய்வான் விதவிதமாய் டவுட்டும் கேட்பான் நாளுக்கொரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பிபிடியை காட்டக்கூடாது காட்டி விட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க ஒண்ணாது பிபிடியை காட்டக்கூடாது காட்டி விட்டால் அட்டகாசம் தாங்க ஒண்ணாது சும்மா ஒரு பேச்சு காணும் டவுட் கேளு என்று சொன்னால் 1 2 3 4 அத்தனையும் டவுட் என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன் நல்ல பிள்ளை போலே இருப்பான் எழுத சொன்னால் மீட்டிங் விட்டு வெளியே செல்லுவான் நல்ல பிள்ளை போலே இருப்பான் எழுத சொன்னால் மீட்டிங் விட்டு வெளியே செல்லுவான்
ஏண்டா போனே என்று கேட்டால் நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ என்று சொல்லி ஃபிளிப்லாம் பார்த்து எழுதி கொள்வேன் என்று சொல்லி ஆட்டம் ஆடும் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். குரூப்பில் பேச ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை அழைப்பான், டீம்ஸ் மூலம் சாட்டிங் செய்ய பம்புக்கு இழுப்பான். குரூப்பில் பேச ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸை அழைப்பான், டீம்ஸ் மூலம் சாட்டிங் செய்ய வம்புக்கு இழுப்பான். சாட்டிங் செய்ய முடியாதென்றால் கிளாஸை விட்டு தூக்கி விட்டு விக்கி விக்கி அழும்போது இதுதான்டா ரிவெஞ்சு என்பான் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன். வேடிக்கையாய் அன்மியூட் செய்வான், விதவிதமாய் டவுட்டும் கேட்பான், நாளுக்கு ஒரு லீலை செய்யும் நந்த கோபால கிருஷ்ணன் விஷமக்கார கண்ணன், பொல்லாத விஷமக்கார கண்ணன்.
If you weren't naughty, we wouldn't have smiled. The reason for your smile is most probably your naughtiness. That was a lovely dance by our naughty little Krishna. Now, let us move forward from naughtiness to fear. What is the one thing that scares children? Is it a lizard? A cockroach? No, even scarier than that. The one that gives them nightmares? Examination. The very utterance of the word gives tummy aches to some children. Examinophobia. The fear of examinations is very common among students of all age groups these days. To know more about it, let us watch an entertaining skit.
God, please save me. Don't give any question from falling on me because I have not studied that. Next exam, please.
Vidya, we have an extra friend.
Ma'am, she's asking, she's disturbing.
No talking now, otherwise we'll go out of the room.
Ma'am, my pen is not writing, ma'am.
Then write subject code. Subject code, ma'am. Subject code is there in your question paper. Check it.
Ma'am, may I come in, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Why are you late?
Ma'am, traffic, ma'am.
Traffic has been there all through.
Ma'am,
Why are you late?
ma'am, tire also punctured, ma'am.
So what? Come by walk?
No, ma'am.
Go to your place. You're already late. I'll give you. Start reading your question paper.
Ma'am, question number 3 is out of question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
You write what you guess. Did you study properly? Ma'am, get on with your work. Yes, so number 10, diagram is not clear. I'll send for the teacher later. Okay, get on with your work. No looking left or right. Carry on. Alright. Yes, now we can start writing all of you.
Ma'am, the graph paper, ma'am, where should I keep it, ma'am? Horizontally, vertically, how should I keep it?
You can do it any way you like. No talking, Chandralekha. Alright, 10 minutes more. Quick. 10 minutes more.
Additional.
didn't you bring yours? Take it. Alright, now I am going to come to your places to collect the papers. Be ready to hand over. So we started 5 minutes late. Give it.
Ma'am, 5 minutes please.
No more time. When I come to your place, I will take it. No extra time. No talking inside the exam hall. Alright?
Ma'am, please do it. Ma'am, please do this.
See children? I think all numbers are now. Once again, can I close this? Yes, just wait for 2 more minutes. I think you will, 1 second please.
Ma'am, I did not write my name.
Never mind, I know your roll number. Right. Children, I think you will understand one thing. The takeaway is, if you are prepared, definitely you can tackle anything. Example is, Deepa, she was right through concentrating in her writing. Not on anything else, she did not ask any doubts. So systematic preparation, adequate preparation. Right? Good luck for your next exam, children.
The human brain is amazing. It functions 24 hours a day from the time we were born and only stops just before our exams. After watching this hilarious skit, we now know why exams are nightmares to children. Preparing well in advance, prioritizing our mental and physical health can help ease the anxiety of exams. Dear children, so the next time exams are round the corner, let's beat the blues. Well, a lot of talk about exams. So isn't it time to continue with our fun too? It's Children's Day and hence time to party. Yahoo! Let's tap our feet and rock the world.
रंगीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग दे जुए तारी बात रे तो काला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा ओए रंगीला तारा रंग दे जुए तारी बात रे.
Children and energy are almost synonymous, and that is why this performance was also highly energetic to celebrate Children's Day. Next, I would like to invite our respected Principal Ma'am to address the gathering and to deliver the Children's Day message.
Hello students, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. On behalf of the management, our admin and academic staff, I extend a very warm wishes for a wonderful Children's Day. Let God's choicest blessings be showered on all of you to stay happy, healthy and humane always. Life is not a bed of roses. We do tumble upon good and bad, ups and downs in the journey of our life. But we have to remain grounded and we must have the wisdom to stay at our best always. Let us have a strong value system rooted and use our imaginative wings to achieve all our dreams. I would like to share a very important message on the occasion of Children's Day. Remember, life is an echo. What goes out comes back. What you give, you get back. What you see in others exists in you. Radiate and give love, and that love will come back to you. You are our bundle of joy. You are our happiness, and you are our hope. Once again, a very happy Children's Day to all of you. God bless. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for the thoughtful message. Now that we've come to the end of the show, I would like to request Mrs. Yamini to deliver the vote of thanks for today's event.
Gurubhyo Namaha. It is indeed an honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this special occasion. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our principal, Mrs. Rukmani Sridharan, for all her support and guidance. Our heartfelt thanks to our teachers who strive to make learning fun and easy, and of course a special mention to the teachers who put in their efforts to make this wonderful video. We'd like to thank the admin staff for their undying support in all our endeavors. A special thanks to our parents who are our pillars of strength, and of course to our dear students who make our lives colorful and happy. Thank you all once again, and we hope you have a blessed day.